This is Junior Roberts from juniorroberts.weebly.com, and in this video we'll be looking at diodes. Now there are two types of diodes which we will be concerned with. These are general purpose diodes, which are these here, right, and then we have light emitting diodes. But a diode in its basic sense is a unidirectional device, which means that it will only allow current to flow in one direction only. Alright, so in the case of an AC signal which changes direction periodically, a diode will only allow current to flow in one half cycle of that signal. So we find diodes being used as in rectification circuits, such as a half-wave rectifier or a full-wave rectifier. Right, so these would be used in rectification circuits, right, and these here will be used to emit light, right. So we might see them in various circuits. For example, let's say a computer. The computer usually has an LED indication light for the battery, for the power. Your cell phone, in terms of the notification light, that's an LED, right? And as mentioned earlier, an LED will only allow current to flow in one direction only, right? So when connecting LEDs or diodes in circuit, they need to be configured in that circuit a certain way, right? So in the sense that we need to ensure that the positive side of a diode is connected to the positive side of the battery, and the negative side of a diode is connected to the negative side of the battery, right? So in the case of general purpose diodes, right, the negative side is usually the side closest to this gray mark, right? Each diode will have a gray strip on one end, or a black strip in this case, right? And that strip is usually indicative of the negative side of the diode, which would be the cathode, and the side which is not indicated by a colored strip would be the anode, right? So when connecting a diode in a circuit, we need to ensure that the positive side of the circuit is connected to the anode and the negative side is connected to the cathode, right? And in the case of an LED, if you look closely, it probably won't show on this camera here. There's usually a notch at the side, a flat notch at the side, and that flat notch indicates the cathode of the LED, right? And another way to actually determine the anode separate from the cathode is to line up the two legs of the diode, and the longer leg is usually the anode, right, which would be positive, right? So those are the two things that we need to be concerned with in terms of a diode, is that it's a unidirectional device, so it allows current to flow in one direction only, right? So when connecting it in a circuit, we need to ensure that it is connected with the right polarity, right? So that's it for diodes, right? We have successfully completed looking at all two-terminal electronic components. So as we go further, we look at electronic components which has more than two terminals.